Welcome to my shop again. This is another one of my little Tuesday tips. I always start everything I do between centers, and then when I put my glue block on, sometimes it's a little hard to get it lined up so that it's running on the same axis. So here's a little tip or trick that I do. Here I'm preparing a nice flat surface here with no hump in the middle so my glue block will seat. Alright, this is something new that I've been doing. When I get down in this corner, I'm going to swing my handle way, way away from me. I'm going to make a little divot in there. Just a little notch, just a little eighth inch deep. You see the little ring in there? Okay. So when I chisel this off, I'll have a target. I'll have a way to see where the middle is and get it back on the lathe closer to running on true the way that it is now. Okay, I'm going to chisel this off and get ready to put the glue on. See the little circle that I made just before I knocked the nub off, and I'm going to drill a little drill hole here for my coat hanger to register. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.